Hey guys, welcome to my new episode about Thailand. Are you the first time traveler to Thailand and exploring where to go? Or probably you're already an experienced Thailand traveler and visited famous destinations like Chiang Mai, Phuket and Samui and now wondering where to go next? Today I want to bring you to another part of Thailand, which will be a perfect stop by if you are traveling in Southeast Asia, and also a perfect location to go next to explore one of the most famous destinations in the world, Angkor Wat Temple in Cambodia. Dear travelers, today I'm bringing you to Koh Chang Island, which is located in the extreme east part of Thailand, very close to Cambodian border. This video will be very interesting to you as a traveler and if you want to explore one of the most beautiful islands in Thailand. Actually, I'm very excited to go to Koh Chang because it's my first time going. I'm filming fish underwater in Klong Plu waterfall in Koh Chang. We are boating in the Mangrove Forest. So behind, like in both sides, you can see mangrove trees growing directly from water. Koh Chang from Thai language is translated as elephant, and it's true, the shape of the island resembles an elephant. However, you will not find wild elephants here except for the ones that are kept in elephant camps and used for trekking. Koh Chang is the second largest island in Thailand, but it's not as well developed as in Phuket or Koh Samui that I've showed already in my videos. So if you want to compare Koh Chang and Phuket and Samui, you're welcome to check them all. Here is the link. But this not really developed infrastructure in fact has its own benefit, and this is nature. The full interior part of the island is covered with dense jungle, and it's absolutely natural, preserved, virgin jungle that you can explore. The coastline is dotted with beautiful beaches with accommodation for any taste and budget. So you will find everything what you want in this island. Relaxation on the beach and at the same time being united with nature inside the national park. happy, guys, to have spotted stork-billed kingfisher just up there. Also, this island is very conveniently achievable by car, by plane or by bus. So there are different ways to come here. In fact, first, you can go by plane to Trot and then directly cross to Koh Chang for around 20 minutes by speedboat. Or if you're a budget traveler, you can consider a bus option because there are regular buses coming here to Trot province, bringing you directly to the pier where you can cross and enjoy your rest on the beautiful island of Koh Chang. Also, you can take your own car and go to Trot province and then put your car inside the big ferry and cross with your own car to Koh Chang. It's very convenient, and that's why many locals from Bangkok and from neighboring provinces come here and enjoy this island. It's been a very cool and interesting ride for me because it was fully like by car. And so we are right from that area. This is the pier. This is how you bring your car, and your car goes to this big ferry, and you just go nicely, conveniently with your own car to Koh Chang. Isn't it cool? My dear travelers, believe me, here there is a lot to see and discover. From Mangrove Forest to dense jungles of Koh Chang to its powdery white sand beaches and crystal clear waters with coral reef fish and corals. Isn't it amazing to have it all together in this paradise? Koh Chang makes a great travel destination of all times for all travelers. So let's go exploring. This video is a teaser for my upcoming Koh Chang series. I will have 5 new episodes of incredible views and useful information. We will hike in the national park, observe wildlife, and explore mangroves by boat. We will dive into blue waters of Koh Chang Sea to explore colorful marine life and corals. I will also recommend you the best hotels in Koh Chang, and we will have a street food tour to try best street food. In my next video, I will show you the most famous beaches of Koh Chang, so you will know where to stay in your next visit. Subscribe my channel now and enable all notifications not to miss any of my new travel videos. Let's discover the world together.